Hello, I'm Jack from France, and this is my second lesson for Coursera's music production course. And I'm going to be showing you how to use Logic Pro to record a bit of audio from my guitar. I'm going to be using my ToneLab ST pedal as an interface between the guitar and my computer. There's a USB port directly built into it. I'm not going to go through the procedure of plugging it all in, as this was part of last week's assignments. So let's get into Logic Pro. Right, so here we are in Logic Pro. So everything's already opened up. I've already made a new project. So let's just make sure all is set correctly for the recording. So on the left here you can see these are the global preferences for all of your projects, and on the right these are the settings for just this project. Here we'll find our sampling rate, and here we'll find all the other stuff. Let's start by looking at the first audio settings. Here I'm just going to check that my input device is set to my ToneLab ST thing. I'm going to make sure that we're recording in 24 bits. So it looks good to me. I'm also going to be monitoring what I record. That's good. And the buffer is set to 128 samples. I found that 256 is good as well on my computer. So let's go look at the settings for this project. Here we are. Let's go on audio. Here we go, and we're just going to set the sampling rate to 48,000 kilohertz. There we go. Now everything's ready here. Next thing we need to get ready is the track that we're going to be recording on. So I'm just going to show you how to make a new track. So I'm going to click here. Here we are. We choose one new track, an audio track and a mono track, because it's a guitar. There we are. The track is ready. Let's name it guitar. So I just double clicked on that to get the naming right. Okay, next thing, we're going to make sure that the click is set up. So we're going to go down here and do click right on the metronome symbol, and let's just look in the, here we are. So we've got it, it's going to be clicking when we record, and if we look on recording here, we can have a countdown of 1 measure before recording begins. Right, so we're just about ready now. But before we begin, we're just going to check the levels of everything, because I can't, on my audio interface, I can't see if there's distortion or not. And as we can't trust the software, we're just going to, I'm going to be basing it on what I hear. If it sounds right to me, well, that should be alright. Let's see what was coming through, if anything. So let's monitor. We're getting some sound through there. That sounds right. Not too loud, it's not distorted. It's probably a bit on the quiet side, but that's fine by me. So I'm going to turn that off. Let's get ready to record. And let's press the record button. So let's see what that sounds like by listening back. Well, the sound quality isn't too good. And that's because my pedal isn't set up correctly. If I wanted to retake this, I just have to record over the last recording, for example. And here, automatically Logic creates takes, and I can chop and choose between beginning and ends that I enjoy, I like the most. Okay then, so that ends my video. Thanks for listening, and until next time.